Hello history and reviewers. Today we're going to be looking at a Tyco Tyco Garfield the cat telephone. Something that's unique about this is that the eyes open and close. There's like a little switch in the back that opens and closes the eyes. You can get it all the way up. The switch on this one's kind of a little wonky, but his eyes, the eyelids come up. Telephone comes off the back. That's how you hang it up. You have pulse, tone, and it's supposed to have, it says MFG date 1086, made in Hong Kong. This is model 1207. The buttons are being so old, very hard to press. I will be doing a test to see if this works. I got it at the flea market not too long ago, about 5 or 10 minutes ago. It was listed for $15. The guy was having a sale, so I got it for $12.93. These sell online for $50 to $60. So I will be making more profit from the flea market. I sold something else I bought there, and I got $2 more than I paid for it. It does open up on the bottom. You can unscrew it and probably fix that knob for the eyes if you want to have it more level. So it looks like the knob might have come loose, but I did test it. There we go. So yeah, the knob is loose, but the eyes do open and close on this thing. When you have the phone on it, the eyes are supposed to close and they're supposed to open up when you pick the phone up. So yeah, I think I got a great deal. Like that, see? I pick up the phone, boom, they close. And now the knob is moving again. But yeah, all I would have to do is probably open up the bottom of it, adjust the knob, put like a screw in it, and that would be it. Or I could just leave it like this and let the person that buys it do it. Okay, so here we are. Here's Garfield the kitty cat. Here is the phone line. I'm going to plug it in, and these microphones should be able to pick it up. I think what I will do is once I plug it in, I'll move my microphone up, and then I'll hear if it works or not, and you'll hear if it works or not. We'll hear it at the same time. So I'm going to plug it in. A lot of these routers and phone boxes, they I did hear a click, like a little electric click, but like a lot of them only have one port now, so you have to unplug your whatever phone you're using unless you have a second one. I'm going to move this up. We are getting a tone.
Hello?
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 You are on History and Reviews. I was testing out the Garfield phone on video. Can you understand anything I'm saying?
I can understand everything you're saying.
So, History and Reviews, the Garfield phone does work. We should be able to get 60 to 80 bucks out of it, and I only spent $12.93. So I was able to fix the face of Garfield. It is a separate piece from the body. I was able to fix this little knob. Earlier, when I was pushing in, it would poke out. Now, his eyes open and they close like they should. What happened was I had to open this up, and this little lever right here, see where they're stuck in between these two bits? It was popped up and able to move on its own. It was able to free move. But when you stick them in between these two little bits right here, see that? Lever is right here. It's stuck in between those two bits. That's how it's supposed to be. It locks it down. which was very interesting. I was so afraid that I was going to snap the lever. And you snap the lever, there's not another piece like this, plastic piece like this, unless you do it for a living, know a friend, have someone else that has one of these. And they lost the head, but they have the piece for whatever reason. But yeah, it's very interesting. Now it works whenever you pick up the phone. If you were interested in what it looked like inside the Garfield, here is the wooden piece. It's like a honeycomb, dual textured. And here is the body. Like I said earlier, literally it's nothing inside of this. It's just hollow, and it's got a little iron weight to weigh it down. And it doesn't weigh it down very well. It's very uneven. But it's what you expect from a product of this time. I did notice that it said that this was copyright 1978 to 1981. So this was probably made in 1980 and then released in 1981. Says it right. Well, my selfie cam's not going to look that good. But yeah, it does say that. So it was definitely released in 1981. So it's almost 40 years old, right? 81, 20, yep. Almost 40 years old. Wow. And after the restoration, everything's been wiped down. His eyes open and close as they should. Which I think is kind of really cool. I believe I did see one of these a really long time ago at a yard sale, and it was selling for 20 bucks. But now they sell for 15 at flea markets and for 60 to 80 dollars online. There's one online for 120, but you're gonna go with the low end of the market. People are gonna go for the cheap stuff first, and then when the supply is gone, the demand goes way up, and then they're gonna pay the 120. But I'm gonna try and sell this for 70 to 80 bucks. I mean, I did restore it. I do deserve that much. I don't deserve 50 bucks. I do deserve on the higher end, just not the highest, because it's all about the quality too. This has have scuff marks and stuff on it from the previous owners.